These pecan pie cookies taste better than pecan pie. Here go a list of all the ingredients you will need for this recipe. You could take a screenshot and follow along with me. So the first thing we're going to do is melt our butter down until it gets nice and golden brown. Once we get that nice and golden brown color, we're going to go ahead and set it off to the side and let it cool down completely. Now we're going to add all of our dry ingredients, our flour, we're going to add our baking soda, our baking powder, our salt. Then we're going to add our cinnamon, and we're just going to give this a nice mix with our spoon, just like so. Now that our butter has cooled down completely, we're going to go ahead and attach it to our mixer, and we're going to start by adding some dry ingredients. Starting off with some sugar, next some brown sugar, now we're going to place our mixer on stir, that way all of our ingredients can be nice and mixed together. Now we're going to start by adding our 2 large eggs, and we're going to continue to mix it, adding our vanilla extract, and then going in with our dry ingredients. Start adding it in 1 cup at a time, just to make sure it don't get all stuck on the wheel. Now for our pie filling, we're going to start by melting our butter. Then we're going to add our brown sugar on top. We're just going to mix this up, and then we're going to go in with our pecans right on top. And yes, add all 2.5 cups. Then we're going to add our cinnamon, our nutmeg, and then we're going to go in with some vanilla extract. Now we're going to go in with our Cairo syrup, and then some heavy whipping cream. And then you're going to want to mix this very well and let this cook down until it gets nice and thick. Once it's done cooking, we're going to go ahead and set this off to the side. You can even place this in the refrigerator and let it get cool. Now, with our dough, we're going to go ahead and form it in our hands into a nice ball, just like so. And then we're going to roll it into our cinnamon sugar. And once we're all done, we'll place them all on a baking sheet. Once we're done rolling them into our balls, we're going to go ahead and take the bottom of a measuring cup and we're just going to press these cookies down to create a nice little divot. And lastly, we're going to add our pie filling right over the top in those divots that we created, just like that. Now we're going to bake our cookies on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown on the edges and the center is nice and firm. Lastly, this part is optional, so once they're nice and cooled down, I went ahead and added some drizzle of caramel on top. It just added a nice little touch. And just like that, we made ourselves some nice, warm, chewy pecan pie cookies. Let me know down in the comment section if you would like to try this recipe. All right, y'all, until next time, peace.